Your car does this, turn off the engine immediately. White smoke or steam from the bonnet. This usually means your engine is overheating or losing coolant. If you keep driving, you can crack the cylinder head, blow the head gasket, or completely destroy the engine. Important tip. Stop immediately, switch off the engine, and let it cool. Other signs. Also stop if you notice oil warning light, temperature rising fast, loud knocking sounds. Please subscribe to Automech Academy. Like and share, this tip can save an engine.